Can you tell us your priorities in the Intelligence Committee right now?
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Dice Den. Today is going to be a 72 toss practice in which I'm going to use white chips, green, red, and black chips. If we hit a box number, a white chip. Okay, if we hit the point, we're going to substitute a black chip for that. If we hit a come out horn number, it's going to be a green chip. If we hit a come out 7, it is going to be a green chip. If we have a come out, if we have a 7 out 7, it's going to be a red chip. Okay? Anyway, we're going to try to do 72 rolls just because that's gives a little bit of a better average than just a 36 roller. So this could be a long practice session. So just bear with me. We're going to keep track of the all, tall, small points. And then I'm also going to keep track of each. Let's say every time there's a 7 out, I'm going to keep track of how many that was and put chips down next to it here so I can look at it at the end. Okay? Let's get started. Let's grab any pair of dice, 1 green, 1 red. Throw in a hardway set, par toss, 3-2, 3-2. Let's get started. I'm going to try to move as fast as I can, but it's still pretty slow. Come out roll.
We are protecting the Western Hemisphere against belligerent Chinese intrusion.
All right, Mr. Chairman, good to talk with you this morning. Thanks so much, Congressman Rick Crawford.
That's a 4-1-5. 4-1-5.
Daytona is the pro's choice for floor jacks and jack stands, built with heavy-duty components and rigorously tested. Each jack is engineered
Turn
to
down
meet
the TV. I'm
industry
watching some news, and don't want that to interfere with this or get a strike for copyright or whatever. Okay, dice are out. 3-2, 3-2. 6-2-8. 6-2-8. One thing I'm not keeping track of is hardways. I'm not going to worry about it. Dice are out. 3-2, 3-2. 6-3-9. 6-3-9. Mark the 9. Dice are out. 5-1-6. 5-1-6. Dice are out. Hard 6. hard 6. Dice are out. Five, 1, 6. 5, 1, 6. 6 is marked. Put another white chip down there. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. 2, 3, 5. Point is made. 2, 3, 5. We're going to put a white chip back in the rack. A green chip down on the 5 because point was made. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. 3, 2, 5. Point is 5 again. Put a white chip down. Excuse me. Just ate breakfast. I got a little phlegm coming. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. 4, 5, 9. 'Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. Hard 10. Hard 10. Mark the 10. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 3, 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 4, 6. No. Maudie May wants to come up on my throwing station, and when she does that, I inevitably worry about her getting in the way, and that stops a roll. So shoot her off of my throwing station. Dice her out. She tried to sneak back in. Four, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. I mean, today it looks like 9 is one of our favorite numbers. At least so far. Now she's up on my table, my receiving table. Getting into the camera view. There we go. Good girl. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. 5, 1, 6. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. Hard 10. Hard 10 again. 10 is marked. That's our third hard way. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 4, 5. Point is made again. 1, 4, 5. Whoops. Substitute a green chip. Puck comes off. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. 4, 6, 10. 4, 6, 10. 10 is our point this time. It's already marked. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. 3, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Here's our 617. That was 20 throws. Puck comes off. Going to substitute a red chip. Put it on the 7. Reset the ATS. And we're going to put 4 red chips down. That was 20 throws. It's going to go right here. I don't know. Is it in the... Okay, it's in the picture. Going to use the same dice just so we don't keep changing all the time. Reset my counter. Now, I need to make sure that I have 52. Okay. Couldn't remember if I substituted that a white chip, put it back in the rack for that red. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 10. That's the third hard 10 we've had. 10 is the point. Mark it on the ATS. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Two, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Five, 1, 6. 5, 1, 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 6, 9. Mark the 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 4, 6, 10. Point is made. 4, 6, 10. Substitute a green chip. Put it on the 10. Puck comes off. Come out, roll.
So let's talk about this upcoming Investor Day meeting that you've got. This is your first Investor Day in
Dice her out. One, three, four. 4 is the point. That's the first 4 we've thrown. Dice her out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 5, 4, 9. 9 is already marked. Put another chip on it. Dice her out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 6, 8. Mark the 8. Usually the 8 is a popular number for me using this dice set, but right now sure does seem like there's hitting those inside numbers. And dice her out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 6, hard 6. That's the second hard 6. Dice her out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 10. Another hard 10. Dice her out. Two, 3, 5. Okay, dice her out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Two, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Mark the 6. I didn't mark the 5 on the last one, so sorry about that. Got all of the outside numbers, the extreme outside numbers, but I'd rather hit the box numbers if possible. Not worried about the alto small. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Got a leaner on the 6. I don't know if it shows it there. Let's see here. Yeah, doesn't quite show it. The 6 is a leaner against the wall. We're going to mark that 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Here's our 7. 6, 1, 7. That was 14 throws. Puck comes off. Reset this. Take a white chip, put it back in the rack. Red chip out on the 7. Whoops, and I gotta do my chips for the count. 11, 12, 13, 14. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. 4, 6, 10. 4, 6, 10. Mark the 10. Becomes our point. We're going to put a white chip on it. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 4, 2, 6. Mark the 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3. Whoops. Drop the dice. Sorry. One, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Whoops. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Dice are out. Hard 8. That's the first one of those we've had. Hard 8. also known as square pair. I'll flip the 8 over when I get down there on the all tall small. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 6, 5, yo. 6, 5, yo. That's the first horn number we've had so far. Get a white chip, put it on the yo. One horn number in over 40 throws. That's unusual. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 4, 2, 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 4. That's the first one of those I think we've had too. Hard 4. Ballerina, because it's a 2-2. Mark the 4. So we've had at least one hard way on all the possible hard box numbers. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 2, 1, 3 craps 3. It's the first one of those. Mark it. White chip goes on the 3. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 5, 2, 7. That was 12 throws. 5, 2, 7. 7 out. Put a white chip in the rack. Red chip on the 7. Puck comes back. B7. reset. That was 12 throws. Whoops. 2 red, 2 white. Okay. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Six, 3, 9. Point is 9. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Ooh, 3, 4, 7. That was a nice looking toss. But 7 out. That was 2 tosses. So we substitute the red chip, reset. That hurt us in our SOR. 7 out. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 4, 6. Point is 6. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 10. Hard 10. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 2, 1, 3. Craps 3. Mark the 3. can't remember what numbers I've hit. Okay, we've hit the the 10. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Six, 5, yo. 6, 5, yo. Mark the yo. We're on our last stack of throwing chips. Dice are out. 3, 2. 3, 2. Here's our 7. That was 6 tosses. So the math of the game is starting to catch back up to me. Substitute a red chip for a white chip. Puck comes off, reset. Bummer. Well, I'm sorry, and that was 6 throws. Come out, roll, dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Two, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8 is the point. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Five, 3, 8. Point is made. Substitute a green chip for a white one. Mark puts it on the 8. Puck comes off. Come out, roll, dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Four, 3, 7. Come out. 7. 4, 3, 7. Substitute a green chip for a white chip on the 7. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Six, 3, 9 is the point. We had to reset because of the 7. 9 is our new point. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 3 craps. 1, 2, 3. 3 craps. Mark 3. And 9 is our point, right? Yep. Too many things to worry about to keep track of when you're doing all of this. Chips, points, all that good stuff. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8.
Tough welding job? Titanium welders from Harbor Freight make it easy, quick to set up, dual voltage compatible, and built
Dice are out. 3, 2,
clean, consistent welds.
3,
Perform, priced to save. Only
2.
at Harbor Freight.
5, 4, 9. Point is made. Substitute a green chip. Puck comes off.
All here tonight. We have Steve Forbes, former media chairman and editor, who will take no responsibility for our laughter.
Okay, come out roll.
Posted more money on WABC radio, and those two managed to co-author a book called The Trump Economic Miracle without any help.
Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2.
I want to start with the difficulties in this budget run. You are constantly
Here's our 6, 1, 7, but it's another come out 7. So we got to reset the ATS. Substitute a green chip for white on the 7. Still a come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. That is a 1, 3, 4. Point is 4. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Looks like a hard 6, and it is. Hard 6, 33. Mark that 6. Okay, dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Four, 3, 7, 11 tosses for the 7 out. So we substitute a red chip this time. we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 more throws. The math of the game is, oops, I'm sorry, that was 11 throws, so I got to mark. Come out, roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2.
And then you've got the earnings on those returns in the pension, in the funds, in the 5 years.
That is a come out 3. Come out 3. Craps 3. Mark the 3. I'm going to substitute a green chip for the 3. Still a come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2. Hard 8. Point is going to be an 8. Gold. Greenspan for a while did, and then he lost sight of it. And but that's the way they have to go. If they don't, I think that President Trump's going to be ambushed. Why is this inflation coming? They're going to blame it on all these pro-growth policies, and that's the key thing. The Democrats are going to use the bash down free enterprise economics. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3,
By the way, you're right. Greenspan.
2.
At least his first 3 terms as Fed chairman, he was basically using a gold price rule. Right. So, okay. All right. We're going to break it down and listen to President Trump.
Hard 8. Repeater. Point is made. Substitute a green chip. Buck comes off.
Eggs are way down. Groceries are down, very substantially, but down. Almost everything's down now. I'd like to see interest rates come down a little bit. And you're going to see billions of dollars, even trillions of dollars coming into our country very soon in the form of tariffs. When you look at
Dice are out. Come out. Roll. 3, 2, 3, 2.
numbers like that, and we're going to protect them once a year. We'll protect them through taxes, through incentives, and also through.
Come out 12. Come out 12. Craps 12. Mark the 12. Substitute a green chip for the 12. That is the first 12 we've thrown in over 60 throws.
People love an optimist. So it's so funny you should mention that because people always ask me, all 3 of us, how are we?
Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2.
The world's coming to an end. These deficits, and Trump is saying it's a beautiful day for America. That's right. Americans love that optimism.
6, 3, 9. Point is going to be a 9.
Because a lot of times he proves me wrong. Now, Steve Forbes and I we're not the biggest fans of terrorists, but he always seems to come out a winner. And so
Does it show the 3 down here? Nope. We're just off screen. Dice are out. 3, 2, 3, 2.
Now, I'm going to argue, as from this, and also from what he said yesterday, Art Laffer, he is softening his position.
So 4, 1, 5, 4, 1, 5.
A little too fast, a little too
Mark the 5.
Now he's more attuned to it. Stock market, where it makes money.
6.
Better than anything. Just reading some of this stuff from what he said. My song is reciprocal tariff. Here, I may give a lot of countries breaks. Okay, he said reciprocal tariff.
Last toss.
But equalize U.S. duties.
Dice are out. 3, 2, 3,
I'm embarrassed to charge them
2.
what they've charged us. By the way, a place like India, which has exorbitant tariffs, is bringing them down. They're in negotiation right now. So reciprocity. And he also said
Hard 4. Hard 4. Mark the 4. Okay, that was our last toss out of 72. And that was still in the middle of the throw, and that was 7 tosses. We've had 6, 7 outs. Okay. So we've had 5 fours. 9 fives with 2 points.
Steve, I think he's not getting enough credit. Maybe he's not taking enough credit. One country that is really working with him on this is Mexico.
15 sixes.
Who started out, I mean, she's a big lefty, no question about that. She started out, Trump bashing and hustle right after the election. They are working together.
9 eights with 2 points.
And by the way, Mexico is slapping tariffs on China because they don't like the cheap imports either. I think that he should get a lot.
11 nines with 1 point.
Watch it on Canada because he may elect another left winger. This guy Mark Carney, never Trumper. He's an American hater. I know him. Okay, he was the central banker.
8 tens with 1 point.
And don't look at the record she had there. No, that's correct. That's correct. And there is a pretty good conservative.
8 sevens with 2 come out sevens. 1 12 come out 12. 2 yos. 4 threes with 1 come out and no 2s. Okay. So what does that tell us? Definitely inside numbers are strong. The 4s, we should have 4 of those. We have 5. 5, we should have, there's 1, 2, there's 8. 8 would be an average. We have 9. 6s, 10 would be an average. We have 15. 8s, 10 would be average. We got 9. 9s, 8 would be, 8 would be average. We have 11. 10s, we should have 6. No, 6. We got 8. 2 yos, that's norm, or should have 4. I mean, we should have 2 12s and we don't have 1. We should have 4 3s. We got 4 and no 2s. Okay, 7 out average. 72 divided by 1, 2, 3 by 6. That's an average of 12 for a 7 out. If you just wanted a 7, how many throws to any 7? 8. So that would be 9. average every 9 throws was a 7. But we had a few short ones. We had 2 long ones and 2 mediocre ones, and we were working on so 5 out of 7 were really good. Hope this shows you what is going on. Definitely, I tend to throw with that dice set, and this would help you if you track your rolls, which numbers to bet more. Of course, it takes a while to build that up, but it gives you a good average on where you need to be placing your bets. Not as much on the 4 and 10, even though it pays more. You just don't hit it as often. So hopefully everybody enjoyed. Till next time, everybody take care, stay safe, and God bless. I'll see you then.